Hello, this is Miss Bobby, and I'm going to show you how to compare decimals. Now, this should be a review, but if it's brand new, I just want to get you some of the basics. This is considered a greater than sign because the bigger part of the sign is to the left of the page, left and then right. So this is a less than sign. A less than sign is really easy to remember because you can spell the word less with it. So that's how you know it's a less than sign. And then that's equal to. So how you compare decimals is pretty basic. You take one of the decimals and you line it up with the other one underneath. So if a teacher is asking you to require work, bring one of these over and line them up. And then we compare digits. We say, hey, are those decimal points lined up? Yes. Are the numbers in the front of the decimal point the same? Yes. Look at the next two. Are these the same? No. Who's bigger? The 6. So the big mouth opens to the bigger number, kind of like it's eating it. Okay? When you're in little kid land, sometimes you even put little teeth on it, like, okay? So here, we bring one of them over and we line up the decimal points. We're not lining up digits, we're lining up decimal points. So we look at the decimals. Are the numbers on the left the same? No, 21 is bigger than a 2. So right off, we have a greater than sign. Oh, I just erased this. Go figure. All right. So, all right. So here we go. Bring one set over. So I have 18 and 61 hundredths. Oh, I keep erasing stuff. I'm a lefty. Welcome to my world. All right. So I line them up. We look. We say, hey, are they the same? These are the same. Yes. Are the next numbers the same? Yes. Are the next ones the same? Yes. And then we have a 4 and a 0, nothing. So the 4 is bigger. So we have another greater than sign. So we bring one set of numbers over. We line up the decimal points. If they're not the same length, you can just add them in there and look. Oh, they're equal. So we bring one set over. We have 42, 184,000. We can add another 0 here, but when we draw that line there, notice that 421 is bigger than a 42, so that means it's another greater than sign. And then we bring this one over, we get 17 and 65 hundredths. We put a 0 in there. We check. 17, oops, off the screen a little bit, sorry. All right, and so then we have 17, 6 and 6, 0 and 5. 5 is larger, so we have the number on the right is bigger this time. So comparing them is all about lining up the decimal points, looking to make sure what's on the left-hand side of the decimal point is the same. If it is, you start comparing it all the way over to the right. If it's not the same, then obviously you can see that. And as always, this is Miss Bobby, and I love math, Diet Coke, and CrossFit.